Monaguchi Ebeka say TikTokers are not celebrities. Now the first person who dika kan asem we Kojo Kasalawen Obeka sansem wabra Asantua any Jacqueline Mensa tama almost started say omo blew up on TikTok and aleweche mu say sa we omo a no mu twesini eto a na we omo a omo ye TikTok ni siwa those who were acting are more famous than those who are in TikTok now. Ain't you know TikTokers are not celebrities. That is what Lewin said in the previous years. And then saying Monaguchi so then they have a face Zion Felix and Nana Romeo and so etimi etanase. No more having conversation. Nana Romeo so bake Lewin and Monaguchi. Chimwa TikTokers are not celebrities.
Stardom there, Obi a bit me a star. Celebrity there, Ghana have cried celebrities in cry. Me I should say being 20.
But they have the stardom, they have whatever. In the Majab, we are going to play their video whereby Zion Felix was having an interview with Nana Romeo around Socheche and Semu. But before then, let's read something on Wikipedia. The real definition of celebrity. Yeah, say and someone DJ Lewen and Afi Monaguchi and Nana Romeo almost one of the two just TikTokers are no celebrities. So let's see if they are truly true. Celebrity is a condition of fame and broad public recognition of a person or a group due to attention given to them by mass media. The word is also used to refer to famous individuals. A person may attain celebrity status by having a great wealth. Obi ebetimi aje celebrity dina boso se nipa kro wusika o wusika emu edu a great wealth anase owo ahonyade a edoso ana ahonyade eso bia na we can recognize that person as a celebrity. Not only that, se nipa no owo broad and public recognition. Se nipa no we pia bonti no bia say yesuma si na ekwe is a celebrity. Kabilam the most followed TikToker. You cannot tell me Kabilam is not a celebrity. He's a celebrity because he has been attending the Grammys, he has been attending these BET and these MTVs and these are biggest big awards recognition. So you cannot tell me say Kabilam is not a celebrity. That one you cannot say that because they're a TikToker. We have people are there on TikTok and they have made it to the top. What they may for Ghana put example. Let me use Kabilam as an example. Will you classify Kabilam as a celebrity? Will you classify Pella as a celebrity? Will you classify Shanks as a celebrity? I know he also based on YouTube and Facebook. Will you classify Pella and a girlfriend as a celebrity? Because when you celebrity, it is TikTok that made us all know Pella because of his streaming. He has this big name to the extent that Shatawale even bring this guy to Ghana to promote his TikTok page, and now SM is having 2.8 million followers on TikTok. So let me continue reading. And a participation in sports or the entertainment industry. So Ubibe to me attaining that name called celebrities if the person is in participation in sports or in the entertainment industry. The position as a political figure will be so able to me. So those in politics, you know, Afenyo Markins, we know Samuel Okudzeto Blackwell, we know Sam George, we know these people who are into the political scenes. They are celebrities. What I say, we have Sami Jenfimo, we have those. What I say, we have Napo, we have Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, we have His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, we have His Excellency the former President Donald Dankwa Akufo-Addo, and more. And then even in connection to another celebrity, celebrity usually implies a favorable public image. Eti wasi me say be a mistake me tie. I have the connection with Airtime GH. I have the connection with Neru X. I have the connection with Lucas Trent. I have the connection with these celebrities. I can also classify myself as a celebrity because I have this connection with these people and they are public figures. So if someone sees me with these people always appear stadium. Right now, he is into the celebrity scenes because you always see him around these celebrities. You always see him with these public figures. Say Kwame Despite, you always see these people because right now, Father or Say Kwame Despite is a celebrity. Father Dixon is a celebrity. Ibrahim Mama is a celebrity because of their great wealth. So you see how celebrity is being described. So if you don't, I mean, take your time and do the research very well, you will just say no more in the public space before the social media and they are the only celebrities. No. What I say? But we have these classes of celebrities. So what kind of side there people will get to understand. Even when it comes to stardom and all kind of that, we have footballers, but we have classes of footballers. We have the A-list. So maybe you can tell me, say, this person is not a A-list celebrity. That one metiasie because we need to go Arnold Schwarzenegger and family to you can say Van Damme. What I say, we need to go Arnold Schwarzenegger now. You can say Scorpion. And found to Scorpion. Younger say again, you could Scorpion. What I say. So let me still continue reading. Celebrity usually implies a favorable public image. Nippon or public image you can be called a celebrity, as opposed to neutrals, famous or notable, or the negative, infamous and notorious. Nippon ubu okrana or a criminal, but because of how he commit the crime, the person can be a celebrity. Guy you say na doctor ni bi wo dentist bi wo US na okunkum kofui. Guy will take the law into his own hands or shoot to say doctor ni. Right now he's a celebrity. Of na he has gained the public attention. He has the public image. For guy we okunkum dentist no. This guy akwaya okunkum bi she fridge most he's a celebrity. But why I say, because when you pass everywhere, you see, hey, guy, we in a kukum will be the chef freedom. He has gained the public attention. So this is what Wikipedia is giving us as the definition of celebrity. Now let's play Nana Romeo, name someone or need Zion fellas, or the two saying his own version of a celebrity and stardom. About watch about your comment section. I say.
So no, celebrity word in the mood. Okay. A celebrity is not only a popular person. Okay. A celebrity is someone the life worth emulating. Okay. Na oyo be a obetumi akase through nipa way lives we mo assessa lives we are change and I say a true celebrity in Ghana here bako papa ose Kwame Despite. We so no our entertainment ni mo enyuma papa ya biebie. Celebrity ni somebody we can celebrate based on bibi. So now me Romeo mtie say me catch you say me celebrity a dey na dey be celebrity me. Untumi fa radio nkwa en celebrity me. But papa o say Kwame Despite. We bi enyuma. Eni pay edwuma under him. So he can be celebrated for such achievement no. What you say? Yan hwe obi ti say onsa mebebo di kwa mebre ope celebrities na enye bebre sa o de celebrity obi ti say sa akode question ombusa na tough mama pa o sa akode can be called a celebrity in a sense that he has sold Ghana to other parts of the world sa de nti we can celebrate him see one of the few rappers I owe Africa. And no keke, a celebrity because he's celebrated for an achievement as one of the greatest rappers in Africa.
Then Wale, Stonebwoy, them all these are celebrities.
Yeah, Shatta Wale or a celebrity because Wale, apart from music, he's a businessman too. Or Shagsy. Or no. So we're employing Crawford.
The celebrities are plenty in Ghana.
Yeah.
I can mention Jackie, Nadia, Yvonne Okoro, Lydia Forson, Yvonne Nelson,
okay.
Lowen.
So you heard Lydia Forson. Okay, on all the never shame.
Oh, yeah, actress.
And which one again?
Oh, yeah. I think product be a new product.
New product. Okay. Yeah. All right.
Do who's a celebrity?
Oh, me can't say me. Number 7 the reason why I wouldn't count.
Okay.
You know, but also you can mention more. So let's mention.
Could you guys Lowen?
Lowen is a celebrity.
Kwakumanu
is very popular.
Okay.
Very popular.
But a celebrity.
Okay, what are we going to celebrate him for?
For his movies, he established a school, unfortunately, in Hobium.
Why? Meaning say, word be a no be a semi
Celebrity, yeah.
Nyo bia na hey, celebrity status no. High o. Oh Michael Jackson mo, Daddy Lumba mo. Ghana ha celebrities no. Daddy Lumba mo.
Okay.
So what you say? Celebrity no. Because you see where the lady how it here. You popular people.
Okay.
And they were celebrities.
But McBrown is a celebrity.
Hey, McBrown, they were top celebrity.
A plus.
Oh no, A plus.
A plus celebrity.
Because
yeah,
her endorsement on Kura.
Yeah.
Oh, celebrity ni you be a what trust stardom.
What trust?
McBrown cry me sure say toda e back me sure say we reject.
Oh yeah.
Aba.
Okay.
What you say?
In the TikTokers none of them.
They are popular.
Okay.
Celebrity saying. Now TikToker is celebrity na yen so ye den.
Okay.
Onye celebrity no celebrity or dem.
Okay. To only Mona Yaje.
100%. Dabi ona dio celebrity for them. O ye popular onye celebrity o. O say Ghana no ye brofo sem no. Ya ye say te brofo but brofo no ye ntimi chire mi ye. Ye wo obi a oye popular and obi oye celebrity. E two different words. Phone or high and check it the 2 minutes. What you say? Enya de cro. Now we TikToker, we content keketi, also a celebrity. How celebrity for what? Dabi. Na say nka Ghana obi a celebrity wa. And they say nka ye ma mi mu a omosa na say we dwom omo ton fish ni na ma omosa no. Mi of ma mi di.
Did the people can
say komu nyina ye celebrities.
Okay, they are
na ma mi ko catch no kra so ye celebrity. Okay, me ba na celebrity de mi nduru ho. Ono akwa me kan kra chiro. So why are they rushing say omo ye celebrities? What for?
They are popular.
They are popular. Stars. Popularity no kra no enye bebre bia only for sa enclave no sa TikTok ho no. Unam kuma nipa hin ehunimu. A few people on more TikTok no more recognize o. What you say? Ba ma Jakiapia enko ba bia wo Ghana ha. Obi anim Jakiapia. Makojon kansan le wen ya dabo. These are people are omono claim so me celebrity a. You may not doubt them too much. What you say? Just that questions kakra be wo omo so dey no status no. But these are people who can claim so me celebrities because they are known. Onam sumu kura tum say we ne bay. Yeti hey bia make obi kura how TikTok akra bia minim no. Nti say how a celebrity na Romeo minim also a celebrity. But because I've been in this game for over 20 years. Nti say minim how do you think say you are? But omo abubo mu din leader forcing Yvonne saying hwan. We all know them. Ya dakra na say omo sunsun kura twam enim say Yvonne sunsun na twam. These are the people we can call celebrities. Eno krampo no ye betimi ahwehwe ma hu say ebi we semi celebrities.
Because like semi celebrities.
And the same say not all of them have reached celebrity status no sir. Some are popular but not celebrity.
How many celebrity?
On say they are say o man we mu no say who can be asem. Now boni di now can be na nyane da on one asem. And na man come on boy intimi intimi na me so madwuma me ye no I need people.
Yeah.
Say be obi nkofa one time. Until no dey yenti ase say Ghana celebrities ni ye no so. But who are officer is celebrity no dey wa bit mafa. By control exams no must name the Ghanaian celebrities you that.
Boy Jako.
Yeah boy e be tro. Yeah nim celebrities no wait.
Na remember that say. Find out what's to happen for